Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. So y'all, there has been many requests for me to actually measure out and try on our Splendies subscription last month. So Splendies is an underwear subscription. You actually get 3 pairs of underwear, like $16 a month. So much more convenient for me because I actually go through mild agoraphobia and I don't even want to get out of my house. And that's not even mentioning how I don't want to go into department stores and dig through their bins that who God knows how many people have been through, or have to actually know if they fit you or not, because I don't even think you can do try-ons in stores. But with Splendies, you have problem, you communicate with them, they fix you up. So with all that being said, let's go through, show the measurements, my communication with Splendies, and do a little try on for you. All right, good morning, my loves. Splendies. I have enjoyed my Splendies subscription. I don't like getting out of the house that much. I'm a recluse. I am a hermit. I just go to the park or, do stuff with Noah and Jim, and that's about it. I don't get out of my house that much at all. So shopping is online for me. So when I found Splendies, I was extremely thrilled with it. Now, all that being said, your girl has her handy dandy tape measurer out, and I am going to measure out 2 of these on camera with you, and then I'll show the pictures of me measuring them all out together, and then we'll actually do a little try on. What people need to understand is that the cuts of underwear, some call it style, there are many different styles, y'all. Midriff, boy shorts, thongs, high-rise, bikini, the ones with just the little straps. There's so many different cuts and styles of underwear. That being said, have y'all ever actually measured them out to see what the measurements are? Probably not. Well, your girl's gonna show you a little bit today, because you guys, they measure differently depending on where they set at on you. So this pair here is one that I received from Splendies last month. Let's go ahead and get our handy dandy tape measure here and go from hip to hip with them. Okay, there we go. It's at 14.5. Now, the undies that are in question were these beautiful shade. I love this color. These blue ones here. Now, the questioning is because, y'all, they do look much larger than the others, as I showed in the previous video. So here they are. Ugh, it's hard to hold them up and show you. There we go. See? They're actually hanging over a little bit there. Here, oops. This is tough, y'all. Here we go. Look. That big gap. Clearly, the measurements are going to be different. So, let's get the handy dandy tape measurer out. Here we go again. Okay. There you go, you guys. All the way at the end. 16. 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches larger than these, which I'll go ahead and throw up the pictures now. All 3 of those being measured out. Now, when I do the try-on of these, which I want y'all to pay attention to how stretchy this band is. Holy cannoli. Yeah. Woo. They're large and they're in charge. And y'all, they were one of the most comfortable pairs of underwear that I tried on yet. I actually like these. So, y'all seen the measurements. Yes, they measured out 1.5 inches larger than these 3 did. Here is my communication with Splendies. So, and now we're going to show them the follow-up try-on that we did. All right, loves, I'm going to show you how the maroon ones sit, how they feel, what they look like, but pay attention to where they actually sit on your body. See how they sit way down here? Like, here's my belly button. Way down here. All right, now let's show off the blue ones. Make sure you pay attention to where these sit at on my body so you understand the difference in the sizing. Yes, you've seen on the measurements that they measured out 2 inches bigger, but watch where they sit on my body. See how they sit way up here? And I just want to show you guys the stretch on this band. They're very comfortable. They're actually more comfortable than the ones that were measured out 2 inches smaller. So you guys, I am enjoying my Splendies subscription. I enjoy not having to go to the department stores and, you know, for one, dig through bins. I hate that. That just grosses me out. And having to get a whole pack of underwear where you might actually like 2 of them in a bag. Yeah, that's not for me either. So I'm actually enjoying my Splendies subscription, and I'm going to keep it, you guys. I like it. I like it very much. So there you go, you guys. Yes, there is going to be a difference in measurements when you're choosing or receiving, in this case, different cuts, different styles. You're not going to have something that sits way up here on your hips measure out the same way as something that sits way down here on your hips. Up here's your waist, smaller. Down here's your hips, larger. Which I actually, with how high these fit, I actually expected them to measure out smaller, which in all common sense, I guess they should have, because my waist is much smaller than my hips. I think it does have something to do with this band. This band is very, very, very stretchable, as to where the maroon ones that I tried on for you, it's stretchy, yes, but that is because of the lace in the back. They're comfy undies, you guys. They fit just fine. I had no problems with them. I mean, they were very, very comfortable to try on. I still don't like this pattern whatsoever. But back to it, you guys. Different cuts, different styles. They're going to sit differently on you. They're going to be larger or smaller or whatever y'all want to call it. They're going to be different. They all fit me just fine. There was no problems with them. I will pay attention to May's subscription, and I will also measure them out and try them on and see how they all fit. Because you guys, again, different styles are going to fit you differently. All right, loves. I'll see y'all in the next video.